I once worked on a team where in 3 years we got very little done. Then the leadership changed, and we got more done in 3 months than in the previous 3 years. Much later, I finally understood why. It's because we move at the speed of trust. Trust is the speed limit in any relationship or endeavor, because you can only go as fast as people are willing to follow, collaborate, or commit. For example, as a conductor, I may have a brilliant artistic idea, but if my musicians don't trust my judgment, making it happen will be slow and resistance might be high. When we ignore trust's speed limit, we hit resistance, frustration, and damage relationships. So sometimes we must go slow and build trust first in order to move fast in the long run. This is the key insight. Investing time in building trust is not a detour from our goals. In fact, looking back on my story, the new leader and I had already built trust in a previous context. That foundation allowed me to speak up and engage in dialogue that moved us forward. Remember this: trust is our speed limit. So, where in your leadership could you slow down to speed up? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas to help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in a link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.